Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Discord mic not working on PC. Now I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first thing first, you head over to your browser, or you can also use Discord app and type in discord.com. Get logged into your account. From your left hand side you will see a gear icon. Select this and then here select voice and video. Then under voice and video you'll be able to see a thing like this and something will pop up, and under input device make sure it is set to default. Make sure the input device is set to default, or if you're using any type of mic, make sure that it's selected to your mic. Same thing for your output device, and once it is done, under input profile select voice isolation. Lastly, make sure under advanced switch voice channel warning is checked. Advanced switch voice channel warning is checked. Make sure that is done. This is how you can do it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.